Hello everybody, this is my very first gaming episode I will ever be making officially. This is Bloons TD Battles. You've probably heard of it, or played it, or neither, in which case I will try to teach you my best, but, the reason I'm making this video is actually for a test. I'm using Mobizen right now, so I'm not sure exactly how the audio will work or how the video will work, but we're just going to play a few, and I might, start a tutorial at some other time. So, yeah, we're going to get started here. Use the Monkey Apprentice for camo and lead and camo lead popping power. So my strategy usually involves farms. They're very important to me. Bloon economy just doesn't seem practical, honestly. You can't really, get quick money like you can with farms. You can't really, you can't get that good feeling of placing the farm every single time. You get to, take the bananas from the farm. I don't know. I'm really explaining this really badly. But this guy is using a farm dart monkey strategy. So that is fairly good. So a lot of people try to do the whole rush on round 13, and that is very, very good, unless, of course, you are better players going against each other. So for somebody who has, like, 4th tier cannons or 3rd tier ice towers, that could be a problem. So I didn't actually take a look at this guy's record, but I probably should have. That's what I usually do in the beginning, just to get a good idea of who I'm playing against. I'm going to get a 2-0 Monkey Apprentice, because that seems like it would be the best right now. Getting good money. Oh crap, I sold it. That could have been very bad, especially if I hadn't noticed it. This happened to me before. I've actually sold a guy and I didn't realize it, and I was paying so much attention to the other guy's screen that, I just ended up dying because I sold something instead of getting the next tier for it. So this guy is a little bit ahead of me as far as farms, so I'm going to kind of make him buy another dart monkey. There we go. Hopefully he will bother. I'm going to send him a few more, and yeah, no, that's not a dart monkey. It's better. I'm glad he bought that instead of a dart monkey, because that's more expensive on his part. So I'm going to start with farms. I'm going to stop at farms here, and I'm going to start saving up for that 4-0 and 4-2 cannon, because those are incredibly good against regrow rainbow rushes, and of course late game balloons. It's almost infinite bloon popping power. Oh, I said I was going to stop at farms. Yeah, sorry. I'm concentrating on commentary right now, and I'm having a little bit of trouble concentrating on actually what I'm playing. So I'm going to start getting that 4-2 cannon. That seems like a good place for it. There we go. I'm afraid this guy's going to rush me before I have time to flip report, so I'm going to get ready to sell this farm. And I should probably get that too. So if this guy does decide to rush me, I can just wreck the balloons. Hopefully. Doesn't look like he's going to, so I'm going to just kind of save it naturally. I could, oh my gosh, that guy's a laser guy already? Well, that stinks. Not good BFB popping power, which is probably what I'm going to do. What am I doing? Okay. I was planning on getting that, but whatever. So, this guy looks like he could probably somewhat easily get wrecked. But then again, I could too, which is why I am going to get a Cobra. Why am I going to get a Cobra? Attrition. I should probably get a lot of Cobras. Probably get a lot of Cobras. There we go. Is that a med kit on the Cobra's back? I can't tell. Kind of looks like it, to be honest. Just gonna get 3 attritions and hopefully scare him, because that's what we want to do. We want to scare them. We might even be able to get ourselves back to full health by the time we win. But my thought is that he's going to try to rush me with a Moab. So I'm going to do that. Oh, I can't afford it yet. There we go. So now if things end up getting too hot for us, then we can just get that. This guy doesn't honestly seem like the best player in the world. He's got a laser cannon, which is a very, very impractical thing to get as far as, you know, everything. But I know I can't really argue with him. He has more farms than I do. But, you know, still. Here we go. And we are going to rush him very soon. Very, very, very soon. Hopefully. If we can afford it. So, again, the laser cannon is just really impractical. Not something you would normally want to get in, you know, an average battles game. But we are going to run out of camo popping power fairly soon. So, you know, just to stop that, I'm going to get, you know, should I get it? Yeah, I'm going to get the lightning bolt instead of a summon whirlwind. Lightning bolt just seems a lot better. Because, you know, I'm not going for full popping power. And summon whirlwind is another fairly impractical tower. I would get it if I was really in trouble and didn't have the time to buy another assassin. And what is the point of getting that if I'm not going to upgrade it? So I've got a feeling that this guy is going to rush me. Oops, that was an accident. And he is. So I'm going to... Looks like we are going to lose this one. Ah, that was a close one, though. That was a very close one. You know what? I should have sold my farms. I should have sold my farms and just gone for a fast cooldown BFB and then fast cooldown Moab Rush. But whatever. It was a good game. It was very close as well, so good first game on recording. So again, this was just a test, so don't judge me as far as the audio, because I really don't know how it goes. And have an amazing day. This was ByG. Bye.